The autopsy for Michelle Rounds, the ex-wife of Rosie O'Donnell, has been completed, according to multiple media reports. What have we learned about her tragic passing? A spokesperson for the Orange County, FLA Medical Examiner's Office tells ET that the cause of the 46-year-old's passing is pending. At this point, the doctor has pended the case, the spokesperson explained of Michelle Rounds' death Friday of last week. There was no trauma to the body, but the doctor wanted to conduct further laboratory tests before she made a decision. Talking about any case. We do toxicology testing on almost every decedent that comes through our office, the spokesperson added. The ME's office said this isn't cause for suspicion, but one of those things that when the doctor pens it usually means they are looking at. Was it natural causes, or was it an accidental death or a suicide depending on the results of the testing? Rounds died unexpectedly at home last week. I am saddened to hear about this terrible tragedy, O'Donnell said. Mental illness is a very serious issue affecting many families. A shocked Rosie added in her statement. My thoughts and prayers go out to Michelle's family, her wife Krista, and their child. The former spouses, who broke up in 2014 after a tumultuous relationship, share a 4-year-old daughter together, Dakota. Michelle was open about